Hidden along the riverfront, the forgotten ferry terminal glows with pale light on cracked tiles and rusted railings. Once a bustling hub for immigrant arrivals, it quietly remembers brass plaques, creaking gangways, and nightly lanterns that never quite dimmed. An old ledger reportedly records a midnight transfer of valuables vanished during a storm, fueling rumors of secret tunnels beneath the quay. Locals recount a guardian ghost sailor who paces the marble staircase, ensuring the waterfront remembers every passing tide. Today, explorers slip past weathered doors to glimpse faded murals and hear the river's pulse, learning how memory anchors a city.